Electronic media. The electronic media comprises radio, television, the internet, and cinema. As the electronic media creates an audio-visual impact, it is very popular. So, as with the help of the radio, television, internet, and cinema, they create an audio-visual impact. It is very popular at present. Moreover, the electronic media has the concept of live coverage where people get to see snippets of important events directly from the scene. That very important. So as with the use of the electronic media, it has the concept of live coverage where people can see any event directly with the help of this electronic media. Thus live coverage allow people to be a part of a particular incident even though physically he or she may be far away. So with the help of live coverage, people can easily watch the live incident which is taking place, and it doesn't matter whether they are physically present in that particular incident or not. So with the help of live coverage, they can uh, see any incident. News channel on television and radio play an important role in making people aware of events happening across the country. So the news channel on the television and radio plays an important role making or you can say helping the people to make aware of the events which are happening in across the country. Programs on television as well as films highlight social issues and urge the people to reject superstitious and social evils such as the caste system, untouchability, etc. So the programs which are given on the television as well as the films, it basically highlights various social issues and encourage the people to reject various superstitious and social evils such as caste system untouchability from our society. The radio is a good medium of being in touch with national issue of people who lives in remote areas or travel to remote areas where television transmission may not be available. So with the help of radio, the people who are residing in the remote area, or you can say who are traveling to remote area, they can easily get the information about the national issues which are taking place in our country. And radio plays an important role in the remote areas because in remote areas televisions are not available. Movies and theaters, while being popular forms of entertainment, are also important mediums of influencing public opinion. So movies and theater are very popular form of entertainment, and it helps in influencing a public opinion. A large number of people watch movies and visit theaters. The movie stars are idol for the common people, so it is important that the right values and attitudes are promoted through them. So the movie play an important role in any country, and movie various people they watch movie and they visit theater. So the actors who are performing in a movie, they are considered as the idol by the common people. So it is very important that the right things and right values and attitudes are promoted in the movies. For example, even through the medium of entertainment, movies can enforce social values such as equality and respect for women. So with the help of movie, or you can say the medium of entertainment, movies can encourage the social values such as equality and the respect for women in the society. Nowadays, the internet has become the fastest mode of media as it is able to reach a very wide audience through different mediums such as computer, laptops, tablets, mobile phones. So nowadays, internet has become a very fastest mode of media, and it helps, or you can say it helps to reach a huge amount of audience with the help of computer, laptop, tablets, and mobile phones. With the internet connection, anything is uploaded on the internet is accessible to anybody from any part of the world. So with the help of internet connection, anything can be uploaded in the internet, and any person who are living in the world, they can easily use it. So a person can watch a football match being played in Kolkata while sitting at an airport of some European country if he carries a laptop with an internet connection. So with the help of internet, a person who is present in the European country, he or she can directly watch a match which is being played in Kolkata if he has a laptop with the internet connection. Next is media and public opinion. Media plays an extremely important role in a democracy because people enjoy the freedom of speech, that is, they have the right to voice their grievance against the government if they feel deprived. So, media plays an important role, especially in a democracy, because people enjoy freedom of speech. That means, in a democracy, the people enjoy the freedom of speech. They can speak out their rights, okay, and if they do not like the government, they can directly uh, you can say convey their message. Here, watching a news channel and discussing events telecast by them have become a part of day-to-day life. So, watching news channel and discussing event which are being telecasted in a news channel, it becomes a daily part of life of many people. The success of any democracy depends on a strong public opinion. It acts as a guide to government while making policies and laws. So, the success of a democracy, it is totally dependent upon the public opinion, and the public opinion act as a guide, or you can say yes, the democracy act as a guide to the government while making policies and laws for the welfare of the people. It controls and checks the government from becoming irresponsible and helps it to remain sympathetic towards the people. So, with the help of a democracy and the media, it controls and checks the government whether they are you can say they are doing their work properly or not, and it also helps in you can say to being us sympathetic towards the people. The media plays a vital role in influencing public opinion. It helps to it brings to the people detail of debates in the parliament, the views of parliament leader on various issues of national and international importance, and organizes debates among leaders belonging to different political parties. So, media play a very important role in shaping the public opinion. It helps the people to know the details of debates which are taking place in the parliament, that is Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. The views of the political leaders on various issues are telecasted in the national and international level, and it also organized debate among the leaders belonging to different political parties, through which the people get to know what are the different types of views of each political party. Through this, the common people can form a public opinions on the government and the way it's functions. So, with the help of these media, the people, that is the common people of a country, can form you can say opinion on or you can say views regarding the government, and how they are functioning, whether they are capable or not. So, it helps in public shaping the opinion of the common people.